Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Crypto Astronaut. So, guys, are you looking for a crypto exchange? Basically, today we are going to talk about MEX exchange. Basically, this is the one of the most fabulous, safe and secure exchange. So you can check it out. I'm here on the website homepage mexe.com. First of all, you can see MEXE Win Blazing Arena total prize pool 100k USDT. Basically, in MEX exchange, you will be see a lot of rewards and there are a lot of winning arena total prize pool, and you can check it out. Sign up to get 10,000 USDT and sign up. You can also check it out. There are most trading tokens 4,000 plus every day drop 1000%, and you can check it out. One of the industry, you can check it out. Most trading tokens total across 2714 sport pairs with 1470 featured pairs, and you can check out their comprehensive liquidity is also mentioned here feature, and this sport is also mentioned whole MEX to various privilege. You can check it out. Why choose MEX is the easiest way to crypto. You just found it, and you can see that the three major safeguard assist security, 100 million garden fund, a reserve back, and you can check it out their information trade anywhere with MEX app. You will be get app from App Store, Windows and Google Play, and you can also iOS and Android download by QR code, and you can see about their YME exchange. So first of all, you need to click on sign up option. After clicking the sign up, you need to sign up your account here. You need to enter your email, then enter your password, then enter referral code. Make sure join with my invitation code, and then click on by processing your agreement. Then click on sign up to claim $10. You will be get $10 by just sign up. You can also sign up with your mobile number. Enter the same details and click on sign up. Then click on login option, and then you need to click on login now. So welcome back. My account has been successfully opened. You can check out. This is your profile option. You can see profile security identification. This is your nickname, and you can check out total value of USDT and MEXE. You can check it out. Their hot event is also ongoing. And first of all, you need to verify your account here. Then click on profile option. After clicking the profile, simply click on verify option. After clicking the verify, you need to verify your account here. Advanced KYC, you need to complete your KYC verification. First of all, you need to complete the primary KYC verification by your ID card, and advanced verification you need to click on enter your ID and facial recognition. If you are which country you are from, you need to use your ID card here. Verify via app and verify via web. You need to just click on choose yourself, then you can select your country as ID type, passport, driving license. It's depend on you. Then you need to click on enter your take a photo front of your ID, then of back of your ID, then click on submit for you review. In just 10 to 20 minutes your account will be successfully verified if you provide the correct information, and after that your account will be verified, and your this is the total value of USDT. I mean it's mean how much token USDT available in your account. This is your account UID, sign up time, last login, and a security option. You can also check out your security. This is the two-factor. You need to click on mobile verification, then Google Authenticator. You can also check out the everything for there. Verification identification, this is the referral option. As I already told, you'll be invite friend to earn 50% commission. Then click invite friends, copy this link, share with your friends, and 20 USDT. Invite friend, join MEX exchange, and you can check it out. You'll be get a huge profit. This is your referral code. Submit, you share your referral code, link with your friend, unlock with your friends. So guys, let's talk about their other features. First of all, you can check it out. This is the official deposit option. On-chain deposit, P2P trading, quick buy sales. First of all, we need to understand what is on-chain deposit here, and you can see select a token and copy the wallet address, withdraw to wallet address, transfer confirmation, deposit successful. So you need to select your token. Like if I choose a USDT, then select network like Bitcoin Smart Chain, BNB Smart Chain, TRX, Tron, TRC20, Arbitrum, Aptopus, Ethereum, Solana, Matic. It depends on you which wallet you want to use. I choose the BSC network. This is my address. You need to just copy this address and send to their other exchange if you are buying anybody USDT, and then deposit here, and your token USDT will be successfully added to your MEX exchange. This is the P2P trading. If you want to do P2P trading, you can also check it out their P2P trading. So if you do exchange, you'll be get 50 USD on your first P2P purchase, 50% 5% cashback, and then click on I just click on then you'll be get a lot of cashback. Then I click on again no option, and if you want to buy the USDT, then click on buy USDT. If you want to sell, you can also check it out. If you want to sell, you can also sell the USDT here. You can see this is the limit of buying selling. You can use EasyPaisa, but it's depend on you which country are you from. Then you need to just click on select entry amount, then enter filter create ad. If you want to creating any ad, you can also check out link, email, SMS verification, total you fill it order, and advanced KYC. You know also complete the KYC. That's it. So if you want to deposit, quick buy sale, if you want to buy sell a crypto via Visa card, PayPal, and bank transfer. So this is your wallet option. If you want to check it out, this is your wallet. You can check it out. If you want to take any withdrawal from your website, you can check it out there, buy crypto. And if you want to withdraw, then click on withdraw option. After clicking the withdraw, you will be you can also take the withdraw from the your ME exchange. Withdrawal fee is just 1 USDT, and you can check it out. Please select your network here. BNB Smart Chain is 0% fees, and if you select the other network, you will be paid some fees. Like if you choose 20 or 20 unit, just pay 1 USDT fee, and you can check it out. That's it. This is the integer detail here. Then click on view deposit and withdrawal, and your withdrawal will be successful. So guys, this is the market option. You can also check out their sport future alpha market. This is the Bitcoin, Ethereum, BTC, everything is provided here. You can check out their price. Buy crypto, I already told about this market, sport future, earn events, and a lot of things are mentioned here. You can check it out by yourself. So I hope you understand each and everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.